Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon. As we all know, we can unlock the activation lock with Apple ID or passcode. But sometimes we will encounter this annoying situation, unable to activate iPhone. No matter whether you enter Apple ID or passcode, you cannot activate iPhone. This video will show you how to unlock the activation lock. Way 1, try again later or check the network. The failure to activate may be caused by the temporary unavailability of the activation service. You can try again later. If it still fails, it may be caused by the network. You can check the network and reconnect. Way 2, unlock iCloud without previous owner. With the help of Joyoshare Activation Unlocker, you can activate iPhone without the previous owner. Click Remove iCloud Activation Lock. Click on the Start button. Joyoshare Activation Unlocker will automatically put your iDevice into recovery mode. Follow the on-screen instructions to choose your device model and set it to DFU mode manually. Then, the program will get down to jailbreak device. After a success jailbreak, click on Start to Remove button. Your device will automatically get into recovery mode. Put your device into DFU mode. The program will start to remove activation lock from your device when it enters DFU mode. Finished. Way 3, unlock iCloud via iTunes or Finder. Connect your phone to your computer. iTunes or Finder will recognize that your device is not activated. Enter the Apple ID used to enable Find My. Way 4. Remove the SIM and reinsert it. You can attempt to remove the card by inserting an ejector into the hole in the card slot and pushing it forward to take out your SIM card. Then, use a clean cloth to wipe it and check whether it is damaged. After that, reinsert it to adjust its status.